Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing World of Warships. Takes a while to play. So I already played a little before I started recording, just to see. And I used a code which got me 7 days premium and also got me, I think, 2 free ships. One of them is a premium ship. So basically, this game, you guys know it, like World of Warships. So I mistaked it. You battle other ships, and I unlocked a new type of game mode where I can battle like real players and just random battles. But from before that, you'd battle other ships. It's and you capture their flag, so it's kind of like capture the flag. This is the premium ship, the havnt. It's a pretty good ship, and it's pretty big. I've only played 3 battles, so I'm still a noob. All right, let's just get in a game. Okay. Well. I have never realized this. Actually, so I saw that there is aircrafts. I want one aircraft, but I don't know how to get aircrafts. I want to fly and I don't want to shoot people. Like, what the heck? Okay, give it a second to load. I don't know why it takes so long. Like, jeez. Jeez Louise. Why is it just start a battle? Okay. No, there's points. Oh, I put it on a random battle, I see. It's not capture the flag this time. I guess you're scoring points. I'm moving. I don't even know what's for. Okay. Look for other ships.
Action stations.
Okay. Oh, I get it now. Okay. So basically, in this one, you have to go to A, B, and C, and you have to get points from them. First one with the most points from them wins. Now, as you see on the bottom, R is fire extinguishers, which extinguish like flooding and extinguishes fires. 2 is some explosive thing, I don't know. And then so the 1 and 2 are bullets. 1 I usually use. It's kind of basic, You can free look and you can also zoom in to see other ships. I'm looking for any other ships at A. Nothing. Okay, let's go to A. I have no idea how, but you can type to teams. Alright. Hold on. Look again. Yeah, no one's at A. I think our team is already getting to A. Yeah, our team has already gotten A. Oh, if you're hearing any like wind, that's because the weather changes in this game. It's actually pretty cool.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Oh, we're capturing C. Our first enemy! Let's go! Holy cow, he's far away.
Enemy destroyer sighted. Enemy cruiser detected.
Charge! Oh yeah, you can also use strategy in this think I hit it. Yeah, I hit it. Go! This is a really fun game. I recommend getting it. It's free, but it takes a long time to have. Go, go. Oh, it's on fire. It's gone. Alright, let's go. Let's try to steal it. Attacking me. Sunken.
Team is taking the lead.
Yes. Okay. Our team has A. That's mine. Shoot, I didn't realize that was an enemy. I can't shoot. Okay, okay. I don't see anyone capturing C. Baker's stunk the ship too. These games can take a long time. I guess it's because it wasn't taking a long time to capture the flag. I guess if you want a shorter game, you can use capture the flag. Over there. It's a ship. Get it. Get 'em, boys. Oh, that almost hit him. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, I like how it's all this magic music after that. And we're completely destroying the ship. Okay, I don't know, but what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna let them kill, and I'm gonna go get this place. Start capturing points. Let's do this. Go, let's go. We won! We won! Let's go! I mean, I didn't kill anyone, but we won. Okay, let's go back to the fort. Okay, let's pick another game mode. You know what? Yeah, we'll do some random battles. Alright, we're gonna do one more battle because these battles take a while, so. And I don't want my video to be too long, you know? I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a while. It's just, there's this new game I found, and I want to do it, but it's broken. I don't know why. I want to record on that game, but I found this game, luckily, and now I can record it. I haven't been able to fix. I don't know why it randomly cut there. I don't know if you know, but in that Minecraft video, there's black screens. So, yeah. Let's get in. But why does it take forever? Jeez. Dang, why is it taking so long? I won't be able to do another part if it takes this long. Holy cow! No wonder they take so long. Bro. I'm leaving this queue. What is going on? Is it actually joining the game? I think there's only 4 people, bro. Okay. I'm in pool. Let's start this battle. Oh, this is capture the flag. Let's go. Okay, capture the flag is pretty fun. I'm bad at it, but it's fun. Okay, first. I need to see what the heck is for. Because I can't even move. Oh, I can't move because it's still starting. Alright, let's go.
Battle starts.
I don't know. Polar or something? Okay. I'm just trying to look if there's the flag. There should be people over there. There is most likely they're at the flag. They're always
Enemy cruiser detected.
Cruiser detected. Go.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
I only hit the mouse. Holy cow, that's a lot. There's a lot of them. I don't know.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
No. You know what? Never give up on hope. Oh. Go. Oh shoot, I'm about to crash into an iceberg. Oh, I thought I was about to crash into an iceberg. That was gonna be like the Titanic, bro. Go, go. I'm being attacked. No one attacks me and gets away with it. Boom! Boom! Tranquilizer! Oh, those always get me. I'm flooding. No! I get to see the arts of ship flooding. I'm just gonna let you guys watch this. It actually never shut like that before. Honestly, it's supposed to happen. Down. Well, that'll do it. So, there's no like button where I can minimize. Got it mixed up. Okay. Good game. GG's. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.